everybody, welcome to a new video.
Morning.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with
So we are back from France. We've been back a couple days.
Oh, straight back to work.
Then back to work. But this is Tom's first day off since we came back, and he is going to
Guns N' Roses.
yeah, postponed gig.
Yeah, but I had this way before lockdown. It's been like 2 years, right?
Yeah, but that was the last gig. That's not the
This
gig
is
you.
the last gig's t-shirt, but I was like, I would have wore this for the
Yeah.
original one, and I took a picture saying,
It was the same as me. It was a 2020 gig which got postponed.
yeah.
Like I had MCR for 2020 which got postponed. But the day is finally here.
Yes.
It's Tom and his friends, so Tom will be taking the camera and showing you guys Guns N' Roses. So yeah, there was a little bit of drama while we were on holiday with the house. There was that little clip of me being a bit grumpy, but I didn't want it to ruin the holiday, so obviously I tried to stop thinking about it as much as I could. But essentially, we were all ready to buy the house. We had our mortgage offer, we had the money, we were just waiting for them to be like, this is the exchange date we can do, completion date, blah blah blah. But our mortgage offer expired at the end of June, and they weren't ready to complete by then. But they didn't tell us that they weren't ready to complete by then, or they didn't tell us in advance that they wouldn't be able to complete by then, so that we could extend it. So our mortgage offer expired, which was a really good deal and offer, and it had the old interest rate. But since then, mortgage interest rates have gone up by double. So now we have a new mortgage which is so much more expensive, or not more expensive, but we have now got to have it for longer to be able to afford it, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's the deal, and we're still waiting for them to give us an exchange date. And because I was kind of really grumpy at them and angry in the sense that we was like, we want to do this so we can get this deal now and all of this, and we'll do all these different things like A, B or C that you can choose from so that we can do that, but they're the three options that we have, and they chose for option D, which is ignore us and have to make us get a new mortgage. So I'm really grumpy at them, but now the seller won't answer any of my messages. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. And yeah, it's just stressful now. And because we've got a new mortgage and we've moved back to my mum and dad's, we've now got to go and get proof of address for this place. So we weren't going to change our address from our flat to here, because we thought we were going to move so quickly that we'd move it from the flat to our new house. But now we've had to change all of our addresses on everything to be here, so that we can get a proof of address for here, that we live here for the new mortgage. So today we have to go and get a proof of address from our bank and get it stamped at the bank to prove that it's there, because if we get it sent to us in the post, it won't come in time for us to get the mortgage that we want, and so much stress. So yeah, it's been a lot, and it's annoying and so many things, and I just don't know why they weren't cooperative and taking everything that we wanted from them as kindness, because a lot of it was like, we'll give you this for free. But yeah. Yeah, we're still getting the house. It's just now going to be a little while, and I'm expecting it to be in August. So yeah, 4 weeks, fingers crossed. But we're kind of fingers crossing in a not very hopeful way. We're just glad that we have somewhere to be. Like, if we'd have said that we're moving out the flat and then had nowhere to go, I don't know what they'd do, because they were like, well, we have nowhere to go. That's why they wouldn't move out and do a completion date for the end of June. I have no. But yeah, anyway, so I need to go and take Tom to a friend's house, but I thought I'd quickly give you an update on the sunflowers because they've grown so much. So before we moved, I put them here so that they wouldn't fall over if it rained or anything, but we had loads of sun while we were away apparently, so a lot of the garden is dead. Apart from this really tall sunflower. So this one is ginormous. These were the two that I put separately and they've got quite big. The rest of them are still quite big, and some of them are even starting to flower, which is super cute. But this is what I might do later, is put them all in their own pots and give them sticks and stuff. But yeah, there's them, and I love these little yellow flowers that my dad gets. Got some huge poppies and things like that, but sadly some of my sweet peas have died, but it's okay because mums are okay. Mums are huge and they're all different colours. Look how cute that is, and pinks and whites. Some of it's kind of gone a bit dead with the sun, but there you go. All the clematis has come out. How nice is that? I'm hoping one day we have a wall like this in our garden we can have photos and things in front of, so this bush wouldn't be here and you'd be able to take really nice photos like I did on holiday. Put one in here, but then sadly I need to pin all this netting back up, so this is really nice, but sadly these purple pinky flowers have all died because of the heat. Not enough rain while we were away. So yeah, sad times, but at least half the garden is nice and the sunflowers have grown. Yay! But right, let's get you to your gig.
The lovely Ramada Hotel. There's Josh, there's Tom from A Day with Jess and Tom. We're about to go watch Guns N' Roses and we're about to check into our luxurious hotel. Aloha Laura.
Wait.
So here's Tom now, and he's making, very kindly, a cup of tea for myself and him. Here are the tools that we have. It's Yorkshire tea as well, credit to them.
That's pretty good.
I rate it better than PG Tips personally.
Oh yes.
Put in the comments down below if you prefer PG Tips or Yorkshire tea.
That's what they call you, accommodating accents. Actually accommodating. You can't get
away now.
Back home.
Tom's back home. Did you have a nice time?
I had a really nice time. It was nice seeing my friends and going to the gig. It was really good.
We've just been chatting about it, so it sounds like you had a nice time.
Yes.
Yes. And I've not got any more gigs lined up now, have we?
No.
No. So maybe we can have a look, see who's playing and whatnot. But we've got a good few other things lined up.
We've got lots of plans.
Yeah. But I've finished work. Tom's been travelling home and whatnot.
Yes.
But I'm going to go out for a drink with a few of my friends later. Well, in about an hour. But because they're only short and we're just having a bit of a chill out, we've decided to watch Baymax.
I'm interested to see what it's like.
Yeah, they're only 10 minutes long each, but it came out on Wednesday. But I was expecting it to be like a full-on TV show, but it's not. They're just little...
I think they're going to be a little bit...
I think they're going to be like Doug days. Morning! So it's the next... No, 2 days later. I had work all day yesterday, so we didn't vlog. But we've got a joint day off today, so we're going to go and put... my friend gave us that old fridge the other day and we went and put it in the storage locker. Well, I did. So Tom's not seen it yet, but I left all the drawers and stuff for the inside in the car. So we're going to go put that in the storage locker. Tom's going to see the fridge. And yeah, just have a chill out day really and start Stranger Things season 4 because we've not watched it yet.
No.
Right, let's go show you the fridge. Can you remember how to do it?
Is this outdoor?
You don't need to see that one, just this one.
Just this one?
Yeah. There it is.
Wait.
You're not seeing this? We could probably get it fixed. Essentially, my friends gave away their fridge, they got a new one sent because this stopped working. And then we got the drawers. We just spent 2 or 3 minutes being like, this is where the milk will be. We're ready to get our house now, we're excited for home.
Yeah.
Doesn't bother me too much that it's silver.
You can paint it though. I've seen some really nice videos where people have
painted.
Literally painted it.
Yeah.
If we can't get this working and the water doesn't work, I'd literally take that off and put a panel on it.
I guess so. But I think I'll just get someone to fix it. Like
if you can.
They wanted warranty on it, so they wanted them to replace it, like replace the bit. But they don't make this fridge anymore, so they didn't have the parts to fit this, the official parts for this fridge. Do you know what I mean? So they sent them a brand new fridge. Whereas I think we could get someone to replace it with third-party parts. It's a few days later now, and we've come to the view because we are going to see. Where is it? Because we're going to see Thor. Thor: Love and Thunder. So for Thor 4.
Thor 4.
Here we go. Screen line, and we've got Ice Blast in an Ice Blast cup. I've never been given one of these before.
Oh.
But right, let's go Thor. Ah, so we've come to Bradgate Park for a little walk after we've been sat down for so long.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the film?
I did.
I really enjoyed it. Like, not in a sense of this is my favourite film ever, but in a sense of like, it was good. It wasn't quite Thor Ragnarok amount of good, but it was alright.
I liked it. I felt like yeah, things just happened really quick.
Whereas I liked that because it wasn't like I was saying in the car, that there wasn't that much fluff in between any of the scenes. Like the fluff that there was to like the action scene, like, and then to bring it down a little bit, that fluff had like a point.
Oh, there's crows fighting.
That like those scenes were like meaningful and like needed to be there to make the story progress.
Yeah, but this Thor, it's quite like it's quite comical. Not comical, but the humour in it.
Some of it was like awkward humour, which they could have made, like, them as characters needed to be awkward, but it was almost awkward to watch.
Yeah, I don't know. I still liked it.
I enjoyed it as well.
I enjoyed it. I think I'd want to watch it again. I
enjoy the Thor films anyway because it's kind of more like a lot of the films dib and dab in between different Avengers, even though it's a particular like Avengers storyline, whereas this was like a Thor film. So that's our basic, very basic review.
I liked it. What would you give it out of 10? I guess.
Out of 10?
Yeah, because we used to normally do out of 10.
I guess like 7.5.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
I'd say 7.
I liked the music. I thought
the music was really good. I like that kind of music.
Every bit had a point.
Yeah.
I don't like how they make Thor quite dumb, which dumbs it down a point for me.
Yeah. To be fair, that is like, I know that is a part of Thor's character trait anyway.
But there's too much now. They play on it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
But yeah, so all in all, we'd say give it a watch.
Yeah.
But right, on to exploring. We've come just for a little explore. We've come to Bradgate Park, which I have been to Bradgate Park before, but just not over this side of Bradgate Park. And there's a little, castle. So you can kind of see there's Leicester, and this is all Bradgate Park. It's really nice. Nice place to come for a picnic and stuff on a nice day. And there's deers here. Godzilla. And his head's over there. There's a monument here that you can't really see because of the sun, but it's dedicated to all the people who fought in the Great War and the Second World War.
1939, 1945.
And 1914 to 1918.
You run away from me. You run away from me. How could you?
You run away from me all the time.
Okay, Tracy.
We were slightly higher up and we saw a deer poke its head out. I kind of see it. There he is.
Can you see him?
I saw it. Can't see him, but I saw it. There he is.
Hello. Get up, Bambi. He's hiding because he's scared.
He is hiding. You can kind of see over there, just there. There's another deer. Doesn't look like a deer from here though. But so we figured this one down here is way smaller, so this one's definitely baby deer, and that's mama deer. But we need to go back that way to get to the car anyway, so we're just gonna circle round, not get too close, but just say hello to Mrs. Deer. Of course, if there's a tiny trail, Tom will follow it. Oh, we never showed you. This is Tom's band t-shirt from the gig he went to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You like it?
Guns N' Roses. Of course I like it.
Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's real stuff.
We found another one.
There's two, but the other one I can't see anymore because of them hidden down in the grass.
I can see him, he's over there. Straight forward that way. See, I told you they're just used to humans.
Yeah, just grazing.
Because there's some people with bikes up over there.
Yeah, we definitely saw a baby one.
Yeah, we definitely did. There he is, or she is.
That baby one had horns.
Baby boy.
Baby boy. I guess they...
Definitely having some good lunch. There's the map. We were up here, Old John Tower. That's where we parked, and we've just walked like this bit.
We went up there, walked through there,
and like
cross
down
there, and do that.
Well, we went like down across there, didn't we? And then up and round. So we saw all the deers here.
Yeah.
But that's how big it is. Thinking we just walked that little bit there. This is how big it is.
Yeah.
I normally park down here and walk up and around here.
Yeah. Was it nice today?
Was nice. Can definitely come and park in the other place and come for lunch maybe. Oh, okay, so it's now Thursday. We've both been incredibly busy at work. I've been doing 13-hour days and Tom's been doing mornings upon mornings. So, yes, we've decided to put this weekly vlog out in between the France ones just to give you a bit of a catch up on us over the past few weeks. But I thought I'd show you these sunflowers quick before I end the video. I moved them all over here, but some of them actually have sunflowers now. Look how tiny they are. These are all baby ones, and then we've got these two big ones, which are the ones that were getting big before we went on holiday, and it's been eaten, which is sad, but this one's still to come out, so that's good. And Tom's just finishing editing up all the Guns N' Roses bit.
Not very good at editing.
You're learning. You don't normally do it, so...
No, I'm alright editing. I can't cut anything.
Oh.
Like, I keep too much footage.
You enjoy all the songs. But right, it's time to end the video because it's going to go out tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this having this catch up with us. The video on Monday will be the last... No, there's 2 more France vlogs, so next week will be France vlogs, and then we'll start again with weekly vlogs from a week on Monday. But fingers crossed we'll have some house news by then, because we've just had our new mortgage come through, as in like to sign and stuff. We've sent it off, so fingers crossed some updates come in and that we'll be moving super soon. Yeah, and I've got a tiny mini holiday with Darcy planned, so there'll be a couple of vlogs of that. So yeah, summer has got some things still coming, but
we've got some announcements to make.
We do. So yeah, some vlogs to come, but 2 more France, and then we'll be back, like on time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.